Happy fall, guys. Welcome back. Today's video we're going to be doing a shop with me, clean with me, and decorate with me. I'm definitely in the fall vibes here. Please like this video and subscribe to become part of the family if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you're notified the next time that I upload.
Good morning, everybody. My tripod's shaking in the car, but we're on our way to do some fall decor shopping. Someone's with me. Oh, you're with me too, going to the zoo? We're gonna see what we can find at the thrift shop for decor, and then go to Dollar Tree.
Oh, that's not nice.
I really want to smell it.
This might be good to put little pumpkins in. Some stuff to the table.
I want to smell it.
That's cute.
I can't smell it. I can't smell that, Mom.
What?
I mean,
Okay, so these are the baskets that I found.
It's some.
There's like a matching one. This one's gonna work. This one might be cute to like put on the TV, and this one can go on the table, and they like match. Okay, I'm gonna carry this around until I'm ready to decide. Oh my gosh, look at this one. This one has a matching plate. Okay, I don't think we need any small trinkets though. Where's Jordan? Jordan, where are you? Where are you? There she is. You're funny.
Can I invite you to the register?
If you're a crafter, they have some nice yarns here. Look at, there's so many of these ones. It's like a whole project here. They got some cute things here. This baby blanket. This is nice. There's a lot of crocheted and knit things in here that are like really nice.
How much this?
What, baby? Wow.
Over.
Some cute throws. Ooh, this one's so soft. It's not picking up the true color of this. This one looks a little bit more yellowish in person. But if this was gray, this would be perfect. Okay, so we just left this thrift store and we're gonna go to maybe another one. I don't know, it's starting to rain, and hit up Dollar Tree. Ooh, that one's cute.
Oh, my hands are getting glittery.
That's okay.
Because David, we be telling David to get them, but David be coming up with lies. So I'm gonna have to call you myself because we be
Oh my God.
I don't like it. I like these.
I think you dropped one.
How much are these?
They're all $1.
What?
Everything's $1.
What?
Yep, $1. These are super cute. These are chair covers. And the feel of these is like pretty nice. It's like a reusable bag, basically. And it just slips right over the chair. Check out this Christmas wall. So many awesome things. My #1 find there was I bought a Christmas tree, and I'm definitely going back for more because they're so cute and they're only $1. I'm going to be sure to show you guys in the next video. Actually, at the end of this video, because I put one out on my ledge. So we just got back from shopping and we're going to have some hot dogs for lunch. I made these on the Foreman. I just wanted to show you guys too. At Aldi's, I've been buying this non-GMO organic ketchup. Okay, so here's all the goodies that I got between Dollar Tree, Walmart, and the thrift store. And here's that new vacuum. I don't know if you're watching my Instagram stories, if you're following me here on Instagram, but this is that new Bissell 3-in-1 vacuum. It was only $20 for this. And so it has pretty good suction for $20, I will say. And it's super, super lightweight and easy to empty. So I even think this is a great option for like your kids to use to help you clean up the house. If you have any like elderly people in your family who struggle with weight, that's a really good option. This duster is my favorite one. This is from Dollar Tree as well. Really gets the job done. I really didn't clean this area really good since my spring cleaning, so there was a lot of junk under there. And don't mind a few spots on the floor that seem like they're just not coming up because my kids have nail polish down there and I haven't figured out how to get it off yet. So if you have any suggestions on that, let me know. This is a vinyl flooring. So I replaced some small picture frames that I had around the house with these fall inspired quotes that I love and some empty frames that I had too. I just printed them off from my printer and made sure to select the size that matched the frame. And these little sheets of this little checkered buffalo print is dear to me because it was actually my dad's old flannel shirt, and I cut it up and I put pieces of it all around the house just to, you know, remind me of him. And it fit perfectly into like the decor. These candles I got from Walmart. They were around $3 or $4 a piece, and they're the 3-wick candles. They are so cute and they smell very good. So here I have another frame. I did the same thing. I printed out the letter of our last name and I threw it in this picture frame here that my best friend got me for I think my birthday or Christmas. I can't remember. And it actually worked out great that it was this big space under the H because it like raised it up so that you can see it with my trinkets that I put on my fridge. This side of the cabinets are finally up after I got them painted. A few need handles, but I think I'm going to keep the handles off of the ones on top of the fridge just because it is going to be a place for me to store things and decorate up there. I had to hide the Halloween candy from the kids in that basket up there. This is my husband's large protein. We have a jar of that next to my coffee pot in the coffee area. He also has his jar of protein powder right there that he uses daily, and we just keep the big container up there hidden and out of the way. I really didn't want to decorate with too much stuff because clutter just gives me anxiety. I don't like having lots of things laying around, but I really love being able to bring in these pieces that just, you know, help bring the vibe into the house, bring some color in, but you know, it's nothing too crazy. My preference for fall decor is definitely more towards fall instead of Halloween. So that's why you see like a lot of like fun, upbeat, and like childlike things like the flowers, pumpkins, and skeletons versus like the ghosts and the gals. Seriously? Almost died here. I picked up this cute throw from Walmart. It was in the $5 blanket section. My kids actually really love it, so I'm gonna have to go back and get them their own. Jordan loved these fridge magnets.
They kind of don't fit that much.
That's okay, go ahead. Are they not staying on?
Kind of.
Kind of.
Yeah. Now look at, we're decorating the fridge. So it can look like Halloween. It's the fridge decorator.
What are they, magnets?
Magnet. These two. Yeah, there's only two more left.
Okay.
And it goes one. Okay.
Ooh, I like it right there, yeah. Cute. So this pumpkin right here, I got this at the thrift shop. Like if I would have got one of these pumpkins at like a Meijer or something, it would have probably been like 20 or 30 bucks. And I got this for, it was like $4. Or no, it was $3. It was $2.99. I'm gonna have to wash these off and get these going. And then I also picked up, because this is for the coffee station, I picked up these 3M picture hanging little snap-on things, so I don't have to like drill or make any holes. And I'm gonna put this into our backsplash. Okay, so the way that I make this easiest with these 3M's pieces is I'll put them together before I even take off the expose the sticky part. So all this sticky part, so I line them up together, and then I'm going to stick them on the frame wherever I want it to be. These are super simple. This is going to save us a lot of hassle with nails and damage and stuff. We can move things around. Okay, so there's that. And so that way when I go to put it on, I don't have to worry about trying to align anything. It's already going to be there together for me. So I was super excited to find this mug because I really been needing something that I can take with me in the morning on the way to school drop off that fits in my cup holder. So this is the perfect size, and it's around like I don't know, 8, maybe 12 ounces, possibly. It might be 12 ouncer, but anyways, it's big enough. And then I found these cutest little things right here. These were only $1 at the thrift shop, and this was only $2.99. So let me know what you think about this one. Give me your opinion in the comments below. Do you think I should spray paint this orange, or like give it like some kind of ombre effect, or what? I don't know what I want to do with that, but this is just a glass pumpkin. I decided to put all of our K-cups in there. I got the kids K-cups hot chocolate as well. And then this cup I found at Walmart, and I figured this would be perfect to fit my spoons in. And if I ever want to move it, I'll just put it up on my ledge. This frame here, I just printed this picture with the printer, and you know, made it a theme of like fall or like Halloween, because like I love the hocus pocus stuff. And then there I go, there's my little coffee spot. So here's my finished decor. I'm really loving how it's all coming together and like the pops of color throughout. Everything looks really nice. This coffee area is my new favorite spot in the house. I definitely love it. I definitely changed up a few more things since decorating earlier, but this really took me all day to kind of decide and get everything together. And I decided that I'm going to change out the flowers that are on my counter and on my kitchen window ledge, but I really love how it all came together. It's really simple, but like pops of color, and I love it. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and let me know in the comment section what's your favorite piece that I bought. See, there's that little Christmas tree I told you about. Happy fall, guys. See you in the next one.